Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Apple Watch Ultra band. First, ensure your watch is powered off. Take your chosen band and identify the correct top and bottom sections. Gently slide one end of the band into the watch's slot until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Repeat this process for the other end of the band, ensuring both sides are fully engaged. After attaching your band, it's crucial to confirm it's securely fastened. Gently pull on each side of the band, away from the watch face. A correctly installed band will remain firmly in place without any movement or detachment. If you feel any looseness or the band slides out, simply reinsert it into the slot until you hear that satisfying click, ensuring a snug fit. The Apple Watch Ultra offers several band types, each with unique fastening mechanisms. For instance, the Alpine Loop utilizes a G-hook that slides into reinforced loops, providing a very secure fit. The Trail Loop, on the other hand, employs a simple yet effective hook and loop closure for quick adjustments. The Ocean Band features a robust titanium buckle and an adjustable loop for diving. To ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your Apple Watch Ultra band, proper care is essential. Gently wipe your band with a soft, slightly damp, lint-free cloth to remove dirt and oils. Avoid using harsh cleaning agents or abrasive materials, as these can damage the band's finish. Periodically inspect the connection points for any wear, ensuring a secure and comfortable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.